Welcome, welcome, Amazon sellers and soon to be Amazon sellers. My name is Tim from ALGO Online Retail, and today I'm answering the question everybody asks me, is Amazon selling dead in 2026? And look, if you feel like it's dead, you're not crazy. Amazon is way stricter now. They're obsessed with clean supply chains and authenticity. Their fees are more complicated, and if you don't understand them, your profit disappears. And brands are cracking down on arbitrage and closeout sellers and only giving the best pricing and access to smaller groups of authorized resellers. So, yeah, it feels like the door is closing, but here's the twist: Amazon is not dead in 2026. These changes are exactly why 2026 might be the best time to start if you're willing to do it the right way. So most people think Amazon is killing sellers. What they're really doing is removing the sloppy ones. Let me explain in one sentence. Amazon isn't dead. Amazon is being cleaned up. And when a marketplace gets cleaned up, what happens? Fewer low quality sellers, fewer race to the bottom offers, fewer sketchy listings, and more opportunity for sellers who source properly and know their numbers. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 real reasons based on data that 2026 is one of the strongest years ever to start selling on Amazon. Let's start with the biggest one, and it's the opposite of what everyone believes. Reason number one: competition is dropping on Amazon. Amazon traffic is growing, but the number of active sellers is shrinking. Amazon shoppers are increasing year after year, but active sellers fewer than before COVID. That means more traffic per seller, which is unheard of in the e-commerce world. Imagine a giant mall adding more customers while half the stores close. That's what Amazon is doing right now. Okay, reason number two: e-commerce is surging back to pandemic highs. E-commerce as a share of total retail is back to its all-time pandemic high. This is huge because during COVID, online shopping hit historic levels. Then it cooled off temporarily. Now online retail has surged back to those peak numbers. The trend is clear. People are buying online more than ever, and that growth isn't slowing down. Reason number three: Amazon is still the easiest place to start an online business. This part shocks people a little bit. Amazon says 73% of new sellers make at least one sale in their first year. Over 500,000 sellers make more than 100K per year. 500,000. Over 100,000 sellers make over 1 million per year. These are crazy numbers, and the reason is simple. Amazon makes it unbelievably easy to start. And with AI tools and new seller software like Profit Hunter, you can launch faster than ever before. 10 years ago, you needed $10,000, complex software, and a warehouse. Today, you can start your Amazon business with $500 to a few thousand and a laptop. All right, reason number four: the biggest shift in years: China tax reporting. You might not have heard of this one. This one almost no new seller knows about, but it changes everything. At the end of October 2025, Amazon started reporting seller tax data to the Chinese government. This means Chinese sellers, who make up a large chunk of all Amazon selling, are now under investigation and will finally have to pay taxes they're avoiding for years. Their costs will go up, their margin strengths, their dominance gets disrupted. This levels the playing field. But even better, it gives US based sellers a massive new advantage. For years, Chinese sellers had an unfair cost advantage. Now that field is not only level, it's tilting back in favor of US sellers. This is a huge opportunity window. All right, reason number five: Amazon is cracking down on retail arbitrage and shady supply chains more than ever. This is one of the most underrated shifts happening right now. Amazon is aggressively removing retail arbitrage sellers, penny droppers, gray market items, products with questionable invoices, listings with inconsistent supply chains, and my favorite, getting rid of the fell off the back of a truck sales. Thousands of these sellers are being suspended or wiped off listings every month. What does that mean for legitimate sellers like you are going to be? Less race to the bottom pricing, less hijacking, more stable buy boxes, more fair competition, cleaner listings with fewer bad actors, more opportunities for sellers with real suppliers. Big takeaway: Amazon is finally rewarding sellers who source properly and punishing the ones who cut corners. If you do it the right way, you can now face way less noise and way less low quality competition. So, is Amazon selling dead in 2026? Not even close. If anything, competition is down, traffic is up, E-commerce is booming. AI tools make selling easier than ever. Chinese dominance is weakening. Bad actor sellers are being removed. All signs point to this being one of the best windows in years to start selling on Amazon, especially if you do it the right way. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon the right way, click below to register for a free live workshop I'm hosting this week. It's completely free, and I'll walk you step by step through how you get your first sale on Amazon, even if you're brand new. Click the link, get registered. I'll see you soon.